Traveling soon? Whether you're off on a dream vacation or just a weekend getaway, essential oils can be your secret weapon for stress-free, feel-good travel. Welcome back, friends. And if you're new to this channel, then hi, I'm Julie, and my intention is to provide you with information to help you live your best, most vibrant life. Today, I'm sharing my top 6 must-have oils for travel, plus some genius hacks to make your trip a breeze. Let's go. First up, we have peppermint oil. This is your travel wake-up call for long flights, jet lag, or just an early morning start. Dab a drop of peppermint oil on your wrists, temples for an instant pick-me-up. And here's a bonus hack. Add a drop to your water for a natural energy boost and to support digestion after indulging in a bit too much of those travel snacks. So let's talk about staying healthy while traveling. On Guard is your immune system's best friend. Airplanes, hotels, and public spaces are full of germs, but a quick roll-on of On Guard on your hands, neck, and soles of your feet can help keep your defenses up. Now, here's a hack alert. Make a DIY spray with water and a splash of witch hazel and a few drops of On Guard in a travel-size spray bottle. It's a natural, non-toxic sanitizer. Next, let's talk about lavender, because travel can be exciting, but also stressful. And whether it's a noisy hotel neighbor or you're having trouble winding down, a drop of lavender on your pillow or wrist will help you relax and sleep like a baby. Now, here's a pro tip. If you get nervous flying, add a drop to your hands, rub it, cup it over your face, and then deep breathe just before your flight takes off. Now, new foods, new places, sometimes your stomach doesn't love adventure as much as you do. Enter Digestin. A drop of this oil in water or rubbed directly on your tummy helps soothe away bloating, nausea, or digestion struggles while on the go. And a bonus travel hack, keep a roller bottle of Digestin diluted with fractionated coconut oil in your bag. It's a lifesaver after a big meal. Ever get a random skin irritation while traveling? Tea tree oil is a must-have for minor cuts, bug bites, and blemishes that pop up at the worst time. Just apply a drop of this tea tree oil to the affected areas for quick relief. Now, here's another bonus hack. Add a few drops to your shoes or your travel laundry bag to keep everything smelling fresh and clean. Now, long travel days and packed schedules can leave you feeling a little bit off balance, and that's where Balance Oil comes in. This grounding blend helps keep stress at bay and promotes calm, steady energy. Just roll it on your wrists and inhale deeply before, during, or after your travels to feel centered and relaxed. Now, let's elevate your trip with these 3 wellness travel tips. Tip number 1, pack intentionally, not just willy-nilly. Instead of cramming your bag, bring items that truly serve your wellness. Think reusable water bottle, clean snacks, herbal teas, and of course, your essential oils. Tip number 2, ground yourself with a simple routine. Now, even when you're away from home, a short morning ritual like deep breathing with Balance Blend, a few stretches, and a gratitude check-in keeps your energy centered. Tip number 3, embrace the unexpected. Travel can throw curveballs, missed flights, traffic, delayed check-ins. Have lavender oil on hand and remind yourself it's all a part of the adventure. Breathe in peace, exhale stress. Ready to travel for more peace, purpose, and less toxins? I put together a downloadable toxin-free travel checklist for you, and you can grab it in the description. Now, here's another pro tip. Keep your oils travel ready by storing them in a small patch in your carry-on. TSA-friendly roller bottles and 5 ml bottles make it easy to breeze through security. So here's a recap. Peppermint for energy boost and digestion support. On Guard for immune protection on the go. Lavender for stress release and better sleep. Digestin for stomach support after your travel eats. Tea tree oil for the all-purpose skin and freshening. And then, of course, Balance for help to stay calm and centered. And if you're curious on how to use these oils or need help getting started with a custom travel wellness kit, I'd love to help. Just drop a comment or send me a message. So, which of these oils will you be packing for your next trip? Or do you have a favorite travel oil that I didn't mention? Just drop a comment below and let's chat. And if you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more wellness hacks, and share this with a fellow traveler. Here's to happy, healthy journeys wherever the road leads you.